welcome to our SuccessM channel. Okay, today I am tag tutorial 2. Okay, I am going to click new and click part and click OK. Yesterday I tagged how to create plane and line and extrude commands. Okay, so you watch that tutorial 1 video. Okay, now I am tag tutorial 2. So already I am tell how to create plane. Okay, so just click plane, normal to and sketch. Today I am tag circles command. Okay, so this is circle. Just click circle. Okay, and click center point and click OK. Then you click smart dimension. Okay, you pick the circle. You give diameter. Okay, and give sum of diameter 20. Okay, click OK. This is circle. So and extrude, you give extrude, they tag thickness, that is 3D model. Okay, so sum of thickness I am give 5 mm, that's all. So one circle object is great. Okay, and the next step I am another one circle create. This face, this is face, this is called the face. Okay, this is face. So I am click this face and click your right button in your mouse. Open this one tree. You just click the sketch and click normal to. Okay, you click on your keyboard the tab button. Okay, the orientation box is open. And click the symbol, this is normal to symbol. Okay, you click the normal to, the uses icon is XY, the direction is come. Okay, another one circle I am create and click OK. I am give smart dimension, that is this diameter, sum of diameter 5 mm. Okay, so now I am 5 mm dia inside the hole create. Okay, so now I am remove the body, this circle only, this circle area only I am now removed. So you need to remove, you use extruded cut command. Okay, already you give thickness. Okay, so extruded boss or dash, this command use, but now I am cut. Okay, sum of area cut. Okay, so I am use extruded cut, this tool extruded cut. Okay, so you need to some dimension only you cut blind option. Okay, blind option means for 1 mm only. So this is 1 mm only tag, sum of place only 1 mm. But you truly you need, you click edit features and you click through all. Through all you give the tag truly extruded cut. That's all friends. Okay, this is cut extruded. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.